And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 51. Let me show you the exclusion option. So you had another path effect. I create a circle with a fill, no stroke, and a rectangle on top. Let me give that a different color, than reddish maybe. I'll select them both, and with the intersection, we would have been left with the overlap. And exclusion does basically the inverse. So it cuts out the overlap and leaves us with the rest. You can see here it's transparent now. What's on top only makes a difference for the color. So if I bring the black ellipse on top, so the black circle here, I use exclusion again, and now it's red. So the element that you get will be given the color of the background element. Let's do it with text, and I create a star, maybe 5 corners. Something like this. We give that a different color. So if we select this, and the intersection would leave us with this element. And this is what we're going to cut into the star using exclusion right here. And as our text was reddish, this color will be given to our new element. So once again, you can see exclusion simply as an inverse of intersection. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.